Welcome to my crib. My crib? Yeah. Come on, let's go to my crib. This is my kitchen. Like if you get hungry, just let me know. Just have to get on the good bit. Sometimes the beer is kind of warm. They need some ice. I'm going to show you where the ice is. Let's go upstairs, right? I like to expand. Come on. Go. Welcome to my crib. I'm Phily D. This is where I get my ice. And welcome to my bedroom. I got another bedroom. This is my guest bed. And these are like where I sleep. I pick anyone I want. I can sleep there, man. Let's go. And I get my coffee and coffee shop. This is my coffee shop. That's a really cute coffee shop. So I'm gonna show you my car. Let me show you my children. These are my children. And my happy wife. I get some toys. I even gave to a mountain castle. And look. It's a mountain castle for my kids. It's called Alfred. I'm going to black car. See my rims. They cost me 10 pesos. That lady there, this is my best friend. This is my car, my police car. Like when I'm on my job, I like to ride my police car. They pay me right now. That's my view. I have camels, horses, zebras. That's my giraffe and my best friend. Get out of the time. We are in the number. What? My best friend. I also have a special ride. My special ride. I want it to be this ride. Welcome to my library, man. My library costs me a lot of money. This is what I like to do in my free time. I like to read books like the reflexology and acupressure by my best friend Delphin. Delphin's a cool guy, man. Like, he gives me free alcohol. I'll show you my brother from another mother. He's a bit camera shy, so I'll just get him from the house. Not the Philippines, the white guy. This is my brother Brandon. We just had an argument, man. He doesn't talk to me. Let's go. My wardrobe, all of these things